exists to aid American consumers struggling with overwhelming credit card debt by offering tremendous savings and real debt relief. Accredited Debt Relief has established a special hotline for you to call and learn what savings you qualify for. They've helped qualify consumers with over $1 billion in debt and are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. So don't wait. Get the relief you need during these hard economic times. For this free information, call the Accredited Debt Relief Hotline now. Call 800-663-1313. 800-663-1313. That's 800-663-1313.
Home of the Saints and LSU football, basketball, and baseball. WWL New Orleans, WWL FM and HD1 Cheddar New Orleans. Always live on the free Odyssey app.
This is CBS News on the Hour, your home for original reporting.